I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga for tennis elbow. Let's begin. For this episode, we need a towel. Grab one and keep it close. Okay, so the forearms, here there is the hole, the gap, right here where you feel it when you fold your bend your arms. So here, put 1 to 3 finger on the here, the gap, and press it there, and then extend your arms, bend, extend, like this. Repeat between 10 to 20. And do the other side. The next one, same spot pressure, and then you're gonna rotate your palm both sides. Again, between 10 to 20. And other side. And relax. Okay, now we're gonna relax this forearm muscle. Okay, so in order to find out the muscle on top, grab, make a fist, and you see the one making the lifting up, convex, this muscle, use thumb and index finger to grab. So you may feel really good. Some people may feel like pinched pain, so don't force yourself. Take it easy. You need to feel good, nice pain, not pinched, sharp pain. So relax the muscle on top forearm. Again, I would say spend this about 1 minute every day, and you start experience the improvement. Yeah, make sure to do the other side. Here, make a fist, the one convex. Use the thumb and the index finger to grab gently. So try to massage by grabbing for about 1 minute. Right, next one, we need a towel. So oftentimes, for some reason, for tennis elbow, caused by not able to use pinky side of your hand. Okay, so we're gonna strengthen this part of muscle that connect to the pinky to your elbow, right? So have towel with you, and I'm gonna roll my towel like this. And I try to use my pinky side to grab the towel. 1, 2, did you see? I'm using my pinky. 3, 4, 5. You can rest on the table, or if you want, you can use your other hand to support your elbow so that your arms are not getting tired. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Repeat 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Okay, let's do the other side. Use your pinky side to grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Okay? Okay, now put towel aside. Okay, now, so on your tabletop pose, okay, a little bit more extended. So imagine like a plank with your knees down, okay? So we're gonna do scapula push-up, okay? Like a not big push-up. So did you see my scapula moving away and relax, pushing away? Okay, the scapula push-up, but by using the pinky side. So try to focus almost lifting up your thumb up and try to use pinky side to do the scapula push-ups. Okay, it's gonna be really subtle. It's not big movement, really subtle, tiny movement like this. Okay, ready? I'm trying to really use my pinky side to do 1, relax. 2, relax. 3, 4, press shoulder blades away, up toward the ceiling. 5, 6, 7, and then try to really press the pinky down on the mat. 8, 9, 10, and relax. Let's repeat 10 more. Ready? So again, really tiny motion, like a press scapula away, the socket away. So really not big, not like a big push-ups, right? So it's really tiny and subtle, right? And then really press, you try to grasp the mat with your pinky side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. This sequence is designed to alleviate your elbow pain. I recommend you do it as often as you need. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!